All right, hello, boys. This is the intro video for uh, the health and PE class we're going to be running for uh, for you boys. First things first, to let you know, we've got a check-in quiz. All right, the check-in quiz is mostly just a series of just like random questions, nothing hard at all. That just deals with letting me know what position you're in, what's going on with you, whether or not you have access to all your materials, what's your level of access to the internet, things like that, as well as trying to associate to you what level of responsibility you're going to have to take in this class as of now. All right, so please take that to start things off with after this video. And then after you're done with that, the only thing I have for you for this week is a writing assignment. I want you guys to get things up nice and smooth, start things off nice and light, and that is called home prep. Okay? Just a writing assignment called home prep. You'll find that right there on Moodle underneath the check-in quiz. Okay? Now we had a test that was available that was about to happen, and we're going to go ahead and put that for next week. Okay? But starting next week, uh, your PE requirement for now is going to be dealt with through what's called an activity report. All right, and I'll have one of them per week. All right, which is there in an assignment form. So all you have to do is just download the sheet of paper, okay, and you need to do an hour and a half of physical activity of your choice. All right, an hour and a half of physical activity of your choice within a 1 week's time period. That goes from Sunday to Saturday. Okay, from Sunday to Saturday. And you just download the sheet of paper. You can put it on your iPad as one to, or you can print it off, all right, and then screenshot it to get it back in. Whatever is fine. Whatever makes it easier for you. Okay. And then you need to do it over at least 2 days period. So it's in as long as you can't do an hour and a half one day and then be done for the week. You have to do at least 2 days of activity, all right, during that, and do at least an hour and a half there. Now you can spread it over 5, 6, 7 days if you want to. Totally fine, as much as you need to in order to get all the proper time in. I don't want to push anybody, but that's the main concept. Is everyone has to do that amount. Okay, all you got to do is just put uh, what the day is, how much time it is, all right, for that day, and then give me a quick description of what you did. Now, whether it's out walking, running and jogging, doing some sit-ups, lifting some weights, whatever you're comfortable with, whatever you got available for you at the house is fine. All right, with what we're doing, I just want you to be transparent about it and to log it. And then the other big thing is you give me a total at the end with total time. All right, be honest about your time also, and then you need your parents' signature. Your parents are going to sign off on it that you did those physical activities. So be honest with them and have them, checking behind you. They're going to sign it, and then you upload it right back into the same assignment that you found it. Super easy, super simple. Okay. Now, as I said before, we are going to have a test started with next week, as well as a few other assignments and things. Nice and light. I'm not going to have you guys doing much of anything for this class, but we have to keep you accountable. We have to keep us moving through here. But most of it is going to be that activity log and a few assignments along the way, starting things off with your test that you have. Okay? So that'll be next week, though. I just want to get things nice and smooth to start them off for now. Okay? One thing I will suggest also is go ahead and pick up where we left off in our books and go ahead and read those, okay? Now, one addendum to some things that have been said so forth. If you have access to your textbook and your workbooks, I highly suggest you get a chance to get those if you can. Now, if you're stuck at home and you're quarantined, I understand. Let us know and we'll see about what we could do to possibly, get those to you in some way, potentially. But we want to make sure that or even copies of it in some way possible. We'll do what we can so that you have access to things and we can move forward. Okay, so just talk to us, let us know. All right, I'm going to, as of now, not put a form up on here for questions. So if you have any direct questions, you don't understand what's going on, feel free to email me. Is fine with any questions that you have. Okay, have a good day, guys. Bye.